Let's go. Find a milk powder can to make a wood stove for 10. Left your idea at comment section. It is convenient to improve it later. Since it is used in a tent, a chimney is essential. I am currently working on the connect the chimney and the furnace body. A 2.5x 2.5 ultra-thin square iron pipe is used. It is also the primary material for making this stove. This section serves a similar purpose to a regular bucket. It extends with a right angle bend from the stove. After shaping it, two more holes need to be dug inside. Corresponding position in the furnace body. Two same holes are needed. Smoke and exhaust gas. After firewood burning in the stove, go to chimney. This position needs to be stricter. Can't have too much gap. If not, use it in your tent while camping. In such a small space, this place is a little smoky. There will be a great security risk. Finally, punch the hole with 4 bolts. Connect it tightly with the furnace body. This position is after plugging in the chimney. It is also a point of greatest stress according to the weight of a 1-meter chimney. This section needs to be reinforced if a longer chimney is desired. Let's proceed to make the chimney section. For portability, I divided the chimney into 3 sections, each consisting of 2 square tubes. Cut the template to the appropriate size. Attach it outside the square tubes. Easy disassembly and installation of the chimney, maintaining a certain level of strength. A single square pipe was planned for the chimney, but it was found to be insufficient due to its small area. It was changed to 2 square pipes, increasing the exhaust area, reducing the risk of smoke falling back, improving combustion efficiency. Use square tubes of the same size. Make the 4 legs of the stove. Since the stove will be used for camping in the wild, frequent assembly and disassembly. Therefore, all the designs employ buckle structures, eliminating the need for screws during installation and ensuring a simple process, without the risk of missing screws, rendering the stove unusable. Now, I'm using my cherished computer case to create a bamboo wheel wall. The cooling holes on the computer case are perfect for making stove walls. Bend them slightly, and the furnace walls are ready. Isn't it very simple? According to the installation position of the walls, air intake hole needs to be made on the stove body. As for whether to make it adjustable, I haven't decided yet. Let's leave it for now. I will wait and observe the combustion effect. After installing the furnace walls in the stove, an essential part is still missing: a fire shield. This fire shield divides the combustion chamber into upper and lower parts. Why? Write your answer in the comment section. Finally, screw the fire shield onto the stove body, securing it with the furnace walls. Take a look at the internal structure of the stove. One end of the furnace wall connects to the while the other end is closed. The fire shield's purpose: prolong the burning time of the flame in the furnace. Did you guess correctly? Installation process. Start by placing the 4 legs on the cover. Then use them to clamp the stove body. The beams between the stove legs and the stove body have bayonets. Isn't it straightforward? Attach the chimney. Even with the installation of the stove. The front opening for put firewood. There is a missing cover here. A piece of iron from the chassis to make a cover. Make a cover for it. Now, the stove is complete.